Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress video in Google Photos. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and all you have to do is just tap on the search bar and search for photos.google.com. So this will lead you to googlephotos.com and simply tap on it. And when you are here, you can see these three bars in the top left corner. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and simply tap on this settings. In settings, you can see this option, backup quality for your photos and videos. Right now it's toggled for original quality with store photos and videos with no change to the quality. If you want to compress the video, you can just tap on this storage saver and this will store more at a slightly reduced quality, but it will give more space and it will compress the videos and photos. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.